Hi all, welcome to day 2 of the Personal Growth Challenge, in which I'll be uploading videos every single day for the next 30 days documenting my personal growth journey and also talking about a few topics related to personal development. So today is 29th of May, it's a Friday. I just finished a work meeting that I had, and my plan for today is to work on my website. Actually I did a brainstorming session yesterday, kind of mapping out my ideas and giving it a bit of structure. So I'll quickly go have my lunch now. It's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll have my lunch and then I'll work on my website. Hopefully it'll be ready today, and once I'm done working on the website, I do this with any of the creative work that I do which needs my reviewing later. I do the work and then I give a little bit of break for my website. What I'm planning to do is I'll work on it today. I'm not going to look at it until tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll have a look at it to see if I'm happy with all the aspects of it and then publish it out. So I'm gonna do that today, and then once I'm finished with my website work, I'll take a quick break to tidy up my desk a little bit. It's currently a mess right now. There are a lot of things that are there, so I want to tidy that a bit. And once I'm done with that, I will be creating content for Instagram. So this is the first time I'm trying out, creating batch content for Instagram. So what I'm planning to do is that I'll set a 2-hour timer and I'll see how much content I can produce within those 2 hours. Hopefully I'll have 7 posts for the next week. And yeah, I this is my first time trying, so I don't know how much time I might take. I need to create images and I need to create captions. So hopefully 2 hours should be fine. Let's see how that goes. And then once that's done, I'll be doing my workout for today. So today's workout is a yoga session. I just use a YouTube video to watch it and do it. I actually learned yoga in my school. It was compulsory for us. So I have that foundation laid and it's easier for me to follow by watching YouTube videos. And once I do the yoga, I would be going out for a walk just to get in some fresh air and refresh my mind, because after that I would be working on a podcast episode. If you watched yesterday's video, you'll know that I launched my podcast yesterday and I'll be publishing 2 episodes every single week. So I want to work on one of those episodes today. And I kind of do this consciously. Before every podcast that I work on, I go out for a walk, or I kind of structure my schedule in a way that I would be working on my podcast after I go for a walk, whenever it is, if it's in the morning, noon, or evening. I do this consciously because in the content that you produce, whether it's audio, visual, or verbal, it's very easy to sense the energy. And throughout the day, I would have consumed a lot of information and I would have put out a lot of information in meetings or in the other work that I do. I really want to, and podcast is pretty new for me, so I want to save, I want to be recharged before I start working on those episodes. So I go for a walk, get in some fresh air, get refreshed, and then come back and work on it. It's extremely important to take breaks in between the tasks that you're doing. So usually what I do is, in between, I have around 2 to 3 major tasks that I want to work on every single day, like the 3 I mentioned today, and in between I pop in a few minor tasks that does not need a lot of my mind energy. That can be just tidying up, or cleaning, or just going out and getting groceries, going out for a walk. So I put all these tasks in between my major tasks because it'll help me refresh both my mind and body. And depending on what you do throughout the day, you can decide which task that doesn't require a lot of your mental energy. You can pop in those in between the major tasks that you have throughout the day, because in that way you can recharge yourself and perform better. So don't forget to take your breaks. That's it for day 2 of the Personal Growth Challenge. I'll see you guys on day 3 in tomorrow's video. Bye.